My name is Hyunbin. This book title is Student in Space.
Good.
The story is about a girl called and a boy called Greg. They are brother and sister. They like to ask many questions. They ask many questions at school and at home. One night they walk into the yard and find a spaceship. They fly up to the spaceship and meet two aliens. The aliens are called Jorgans, and they are from the planet Jorgan. And Greg and start asking many questions to the Jorgans. What are you talking on? What do you want to do with us? When can we go home? How many dragons are there? What's this and that? The Jorgans were afraid of the children because they asked too many questions. The Jorgans take the children back home. The children can't go back home because they ask many questions. I like this book and I want to recommend it to other people. The moral of this story is that it is not always bad to ask many questions. Thank you.
Thank you.